Hey there, amazing viewers. We've got something super exciting for you today, and I know you wouldn't want to miss it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and make sure you watch this video till the end. Trust me, it's going to be worth every second. Thanks for being a part of our awesome community, and let's dive into the fun together. As most of you have heard by now, Adidas recently announced further releases of existing Yeezy products with a whole bunch of releases taking place this month. One of those pairs is the long-awaited Adidas Yeezy 450 Slide. Previewed in the cream colorway below, the Adidas Yeezy 450 Slide was first unveiled a few years back. After a long wait, it's finally set to release to the public. The Adidas Yeezy 450 Slide comes with a unique and fashion-forward design, consisting of a single piece of lightweight and durable Eva Foam that's sure to provide both comfort and resiliency. The slide's upper is given a breathable, web-like structure that's sure to provide you with plenty of ventilation, which will come in clutch during the scorching summer weather. Branding is minimal, as Adidas logos are debossed on the soft top layer of the footbed, as well as on the outsole. Speaking of the sole, the slide's cushioned midsole gives you a cozy feel, whereas the contoured outsole is given a wavy traction pattern for some much-appreciated grip. Looking to cop? Retailing for $110, the Adidas Yeezy 450 Slide Cream is set to release on August 2nd at select Yeezy retailers, both in-store and online, as well as on adidas.com/yeezy. The upper of the Yeezy 450 Slide Cream is crafted from a single piece of premium lightweight synthetic material. The material features a subtle texture that adds depth to the slide's appearance. The upper is designed without traditional straps or closures, maintaining the sleek and seamless Yeezy aesthetic. The sole of the slide is made from a plush and cushioned foam, providing comfort with each step. The sole is molded with a unique pattern that features a mixture of organic and geometric shapes, reflecting Kanye West's avant-garde design approach. Thank you for watching this, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video